this introductory course to data analytics in Microsoft Excel. So to start, we can either type here, you can just search for Excel, which is very easy, and we open it here, or we can come to the Windows icon and we search for Excel, which is right here. We double click and then we open a blank sheet. If you want to open a template, you can choose any of these templates, but here we open a blank sheet. And then for today we will just look at the bars. So the very first thing up here, you have the save. You may want to save your work, and then we have this drop down list here. You may want to take a new worksheet, you may want to open an existing one, or you may want to check your spelling, undo, redo, sort. These are shortcuts. And then we have the file here. You can save, you can have a new one, you can print, you can share. Let's go back, and then we have the insert. We have the home. We have the home tab, and here is basically for us to do some few editing. You can change the font size, you can change the font, you can change the font size, you can bold, italicize, underline your text, and centralize it. You can play along, put thousand separator, you can do conditional formatting. We're going to see all these as we move along. Then the insert tab here, you can insert a pivot table, which we are going to see how to analyze data using pivot tables. We are going to have you can insert a table, you can insert pictures, you can plot graphs, you can plot things, and then you can put a slicer, you can put time, hyperlink, you can link your tables. So page layout, the margins, the orientation, the size, the themes, you can set all these things. Formulas for calculation, they are here. Your data, you can bring in data from Microsoft Access from the web. You can consolidate data here. You can do data validation, you can remove duplicates, you can do data cleaning. A lot can be done using this tab. There you can have review, you can put in comments, and a lot more. For the view tab here, you can actually freeze the first row, first column. You can choose what to freeze. You can put page breaks and so on and so forth. So we're going to see all that. This is the formula bar, this is the name bar, these are the column names, which you know already. These are the row names. So if I put my cursor here and we say B2, you can rename it to whatever one you like. And this is the worksheet window. This is the worksheet window. Then we have the sheets. You want to have multiple sheets, and there you can scroll left and right. So let's get started.